How to set up Janus Pro AI. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set up Janus Pro AI. So let's get started. You can access Janus Pro AI through DeepSeek's official site, Hugging Face, and even GitHub for full open source control. For this tutorial, we'll be using Janus Pro website to walk you through the core features and capabilities. So first, open your browser and type Janus Pro 7B into the search bar, then press enter. You'll see multiple results, but the one we want is the official link. Look for the second result that has the DeepSeek logo next to it. Click on it and you'll land on a sleek, user-friendly interface that's easy to explore. As you scroll down, you'll notice a dialog box. This is where you can start chatting with the model directly. Janus Pro offers two main features, multimodal understanding and text-to-image generation. The multimodal feature is especially helpful for analyzing and understanding images. For example, let's try uploading a photo, say a man in a suit, and ask the AI to describe it. This allows you to see just how well Janus Pro can interpret visual information and even suggest prompts based on the image's contents. Let's wait a few seconds, and there it is. A clear, detailed description, and it's surprisingly accurate. This really highlights how strong the visual interpretation is. Now, let's try the text-to-image generation. We'll take the exact prompt Janus just gave us and see if it can reverse the process by turning text into an image. Go ahead and copy the prompt, scroll down to the text to image tool and paste it into the input field. Then click generate and give it a few seconds. As you can see, we get a high quality image output in no time. While the new image isn't a perfect replica of the original one, it's very close, and that's impressive considering it was generated entirely from text. So that's how to use Janus Pro AI. First by analyzing images using multimodal tools, and then generating new visuals using the AI's creative text to image mode. It's a powerful combination that blends analysis and creativity all in one platform. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.